This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Fogel. Virtual tour and 360-degree views available. The pinnacle of Pelican Landing Coach Homes, a Palm Colony and unit with lake views, and over 2,000 square feet of living space. Designed to reflect the comforts of a single-family home, bright and airy spaces luxuriously unfold around a central great room with plenty of space to spread out. Arguably the single most desirable floor plan, in Pelican Landing and #X 2019's most prestigious neighborhood. Palm Colony is a socially active enclave of homes featuring 2 exquisite resort-style pools with reservable outdoor dining and entertainment space, and easy access to newly updated tennis facility conveniently located across the street. This home includes membership to Pelican Landing and access to its many world-class amenities, including a private island beach club, 12 Har-Tru tennis courts, pickleball, sailing club, fitness center, and golf access boating. Golfers, please inquire about private membership options at member-owned Pelican and #X 2019's Nest, 36 holes of championship golf designed by renowned golf course architect Tom Fazio, showcasing 2020 renovated clubhouse and veranda. For more information, review the details below.